Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Tech and AI YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your lips color on FaceTune app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the FaceTune app, and once you open it you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the FaceTune apps on your screen, where you can see the plus icon at the bottom. Simply tap on that button and now you can choose any of the photos from the library, so simply select any of them, and now you can see the makeup option at the bottom of the screen. So simply select that one, and now you can see makeup. Simply choose the makeup option, and now you can see the lipstick option. So simply select that one, and yeah, you'll be able to change your lips color successfully. So basically this is how you can change lips color on FaceTune app, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.